If the heat is there in summer, does it surprise you? If it is cold in the winter, does it surprise you? If there is death on the earth planet, how can it surprise you? You should be beyond any surprise. Then you have understood basic enlightenment. Final enlightenment is different. But there is basic enlightenment. There is alpha and there is omega. Basic enlightenment is that there is no death. And final enlightenment is that you are everything. I am Sagar, I am Bindu, I am Alekhya, I am Dil and Shastri. I am the sun, I am the moon, I am the stars. I am all the dimensions. I am the Panchabhutas. I am the Mula Chaitanya. Aham Brahmasmi. This is final enlightenment. From alpha to omega you must travel. PSSM helps in that. See, if you want to learn music, you have to learn first Sarigama Patanisa. Then you must become like Bismillah Khan, Ravi Shankar. If you want to become like William Shakespeare, you must know ABCD of English. Then you must become like William Shakespeare. Similarly, if you want to become like Krishna and Buddha, first of all, basic enlightenment. There is no death. Death is only changing class. Then you are everything. Up to that level you have to learn. How does it happen? How do you learn spirituality? Through meditation, through Swadhyaya. You must read books. Through Sajjan Sangatya. This enlightenment is for Sajjan Sangatya. You must listen to everybody's experience. Just now, we listened to Alekhya. Her father left his body a few hours back. He is my dear friend. But I am happy with him. I am not sorry. I am happy always for everybody because I am everybody. I am always happy for everybody. I can never be made sad because I have enlightened. I know the alpha. I have traveled from the alpha to omega. In having traveled alpha to omega, this PA system has been created to help everybody in their journeys from alpha to omega of enlightenment. Alpha A is there is no death. That is the first statement. And omega is that you are everybody. Tattvamasi Shvetaketo, you are that, not this. That you are thinking in your limited mind. You are not that which you are thinking in your limited mind. You are something else. Tattvamasi, you are that Brahmasmi, that all that is. Brahma is all that is. Tattvam, you are that, not this. You are not this which you see in your mirror. You are not this which you think in your mind. I am Sagar, I am rich man, I am poor man, I am male, I am female. All these ideas in the mind are bosh. You are not that. You are not this, you are that. That is the omega of enlightenment. First thing is that death is normal, then there is no death. There are no special conditions. My father died, my grandfather died, my grandfather's grandfather died, everybody died. And everybody is reborn. My father is reborn, my grandfather was reborn, my grandfather's grandfather was reborn. I will be reborn, my children will be dying, my children will be reborn. The summer goes away and summer comes back. The rainy season goes away and rainy season comes back. The full moon goes away and the full moon comes back. The no moon goes away, no moon comes back. So where is the tragedy? Oh, new moon has gone. Wait for 1 month, new moon will come again. Full moon is gone. Wait for 1 month, full moon will come back again. Wait for D.L. Shastri, he will come back again. Gautam Buddha said, I will come back after 2500 years. He has come back again. What did he say? I am going to come back again after 2500 years. And that is PSSM. That is Sagar, that is Bindu, that is Alekhya. That is D.L. Shastri. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು PMC ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And give your experiences for PMC. Record your experiences so that the whole world will know your experiences.